Hello, welcome to part 1 of how to open a laptop. In the next few videos I'm going to demonstrate how to open a laptop using this Acer 3680. The first thing you must do is take the battery out by moving the two catches to the unlock position. This machine has two covers that need taking off so we can take out the components. Both of the covers on this model are held on by two screws. I'm going to start by taking off the big cover. This one houses the RAM, the wireless LAN card and the modem. This is the memory, here is the modem card, and here is the wireless LAN card. I'm now going to take off the smaller cover. This houses the hard drive. This machine has no hard drive as I bought it off eBay for parts and the seller wanted to keep it. I purchased this laptop with the knowledge of it having a faulty motherboard, so it'll be interesting to see if we can see a fault on the motherboard. Now what I'm going to do is take the auxiliary and main antenna off the wireless LAN card. Now I'm going to take the hinge cover plate off. This particular model has two screws on the back which are holding the hinge cover plate on. Once I remove these screws, I'm able to remove the hinge cover plate to gain access to the keyboard. Now I'm going to flip it open. That's the hinge cover plate there. Once this is out of the way, I can gain access to the screws that are holding both the screen and the keyboard on. I found the best way to take these off is to use your fingernail and gently lift it up. Now I've moved this plate, you can see the power button, the screen power cable and the two screws holding the keyboard in place. Now I'm going to remove the keyboard by taking these two screws out. Once these screws are taken out, all you need to do is flip the keyboard over. And then unattach this ribbon cable by lifting the little catch. These are the same cables that I unplugged from the wireless LAN card. They go all the way round to the highest point of the laptop so they can get a better reception. This is the ribbon cable for the touchpad. And this is the optical drive. Right, now I'm going to unplug the screen power cable from the motherboard. and pull the antenna wires through carefully. The screen is held on by 4 screws. These screws are usually the biggest on the laptop. While you're taking these screws out, you should steady the screen with one hand and also be very careful not to slip and put the screwdriver through the screen. I'm just going to pull these further out. And there you have it. That's the end of part 1. Thanks for watching.